Hey folks, Isaac Fried here, talking about the new book, How to Not Give a Fuck in 10 Easy Steps, The Modern Layperson's Guide to Enlightenment by Swami Pranayomama. That's me, out here just after sunrise by the lake. I thought it would be beautiful to have this lovely background, even though the lighting's a little awkward. This natural lighting, you see half my face, not the rest. So there, enjoy the lake, and let's get back to where you can see my face, and let's do that. Much better. So, last chapter of the book. Chapter 36, Unicorns and Aliens. We needed the book to be a little thicker, so we added some filler material. It's a real book now. Unicorns and Aliens. The idea here, you can spend a lot of time giving a fuck about shit that's inconsequential, that doesn't matter. It's neat to think about unicorns, aliens. Maybe they exist, maybe they don't. I've never met an alien, and it really doesn't impact my life whether or not they exist. Whether or not there are crocodiles from Andromeda embodying as suit-wearing bank CEOs and politicians here on Earth to steal our gold and feed on our souls. Great idea, maybe. I don't know. If I spend a lot of time giving a fuck about that, it's kind of a waste, though. So if I just focus on my own life, the creative possibilities in this lifetime, the tangible realities of what is, it's an advanced practice in learning how to not give a fuck. So if you see an alien, take a picture. Let me know. Tell me about it. I'd love to hear about it. You're probably not going to. You can get all interested in it, or you can stop giving a fuck about the things that are out of your control, that don't matter, and get on with making the most of this life. That's what I decided to do, making the most of this life. Wrote this book. Hoping you'll buy it, hoping you'll laugh and enjoy it and gain wisdom and insight from it. Share it with your friends. You can click on the link here, or is it there, or somewhere if we figure that part out. So thanks for watching. Have a great life. Pick up a copy of the book. Let me know what you think. Okay. Hey, thanks for watching this video, these videos. I hope you're enjoying them, getting some good nuggets of wisdom, a few good laughs. And I'm making this little addendum video because I can't put these little links in the corners here of the videos like you used to be able to do until I have 1,000 subscribers, which I don't have. So if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. Hit the subscribe button if you want to help me out, get to that 1,000, you and 999 other people, and I can put little links in the corners. You can go buy the book or check out the websites. In the meantime, hopefully down here in the description, there's some websites, real simple. One, howtonotgiveafuck.net, is about the book, articles, some funny videos. Then my own website where there's some poignant articles I've written, more general topics. And if you want, sign up for the email newsletter. We don't really harass you much, but we let you know when there's new videos. And me and my business partner, Boulder, he's like the tech guy because I'm just learning how to make videos here in 2020. And what else? You want to sign up for the newsletter because you'll be the first to know about the new book that's coming out. I'm not sharing the title of it yet because it's too good. So thanks for watching. Some websites down there, and hit some buttons with thumbs and subscribes, or do whatever you want. Be a good person. Have a good day.